Hey Tribe, it's Richard. We're out here in the living studio. And today we're going to do a little bit of breath work and guided meditation just to really calm you down, okay? So let's sit up tall, preferably with your legs crossed. If you can't do that, let's sit in a chair. Let's draw your stomach in, squeeze the glutes, lift the collarbone, chest up, tuck the chin in. I invite you to close your eyes and do palms up on your shins or your knees, and fully straighten your arms if possible. Okay, so the breath is 4 seconds in, 8 seconds out, and it's all through the nose, okay? So we breathe in the nose for 1, 2, 3, 4, and breathe out for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So let's begin. Breathe in your nose for 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe in for 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe in for 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now continue on your own. Wherever you're at, take a deep breath in, hold your breath, squeeze the base of your spine, just shake your arms, keep holding your breath, arms overhead, shake, and then breathe out. Continue sitting up tall and just slowing the breathing down, really just relaxing the body, starting from the head, in the face, around the eyes, around the jaw. Relax your entire face and let this relaxation trickle down your body. Just really sit in a space where you're just focusing on your breathing. You're slowing your breathing down, but nothing is forced. If you have thoughts, embrace those thoughts. But then let the thoughts go. And just really try to sit in a space between your thoughts. There's always a little bit of space between every thought. And the more you focus on this space, the space becomes bigger and bigger. And so does the internal peace. Okay, just rub your hands together, put your hands at the center of your chest. I invite you to sit in a place of gratitude, being grateful for all the wonderful things in your life. I'm grateful today for you all being my teacher. As always, be limitless. Peace.